What's the meaning of crusty? Crusty. Crusty.
Crusty. Crusty. Crusty can be used to describe something that has a hardened or dry surface, often as a result of exposure to heat or air. This can apply to food items like bread or pizza, which develop a crispy outer layer after being baked, or to objects such as old books or artifacts with a weathered appearance. Crusty can also be used to describe a person who is irritable or ill-tempered, with a gruff or abrasive manner. Overall, crusty connotes roughness or rough edges, whether physical or figurative.